Right, so this is on a parajumble, and these are the five sentences. So the cat also sometimes used to give you the five sentences, especially in the year 2017, I guess, right? So there they used to give you the five sentences. So let's see how we do. And yes, of course, the things becomes complicated when the sentences are five in the number. The reason is that the probability of the correct answer increases. Okay, so that becomes the five factorial, and out of that, so 120 possibilities out of which the answer is one, right? So there is the issue, but now let's see what these sentences are talking about, right? Now, the implications of retelling of Indian stories hence takes on a new meaning in modern India, right? Now, hence, therefore, these are all conclusion trigger words, right? So most probably the chances is that this sentence could be the closing sentence, right? So the implication of retelling of Indian stories hence take on a new meaning in modern India. Okay. Now, the stories we tell reflect the world around us. Now, this looks like probably as an opening sentence, but let's see in case if there is any contender to it. Now, we cannot help but retell the stories. So, we tell reflect the world around us. But that we values, after all, they are never quite right for us in our time. And even if we manage to get them quite right, we can see the echo word, right? So they are never quite right for us, and even if we manage to get them quite right, right? So 3 and 4 in this order definitely is a block, right? Now, as soon as we capture a story, the world, okay. So we got one more hour block in a pair, 2, 5, okay. Now we go by the general to specific rule. So by that logic, two becomes an opening sentence. The mandatory pair to the two is a five, right? And one we know is an ending sentence and a 3, 4, right? So 2, 5, 3, 4 is the 3, 4, 1 is the sequence. Okay. Now this was just only done on the basis of the language rules, right? Now let's get deeper and analyze what these sentences are saying, right? So the sentence sequence starts with the option number sentence number 2, which says that the stories we tell so the stories we tell reflect the just a second, I need to check. Yeah. So the stories we tell reflect the world around us. So what is this sentence is telling कि जो stories हम बताते हैं, okay, so it actually shows us the mirror or mirrors us the world we live in, right? So the stories actually show the world that we live in it. It reflects the world that we live in it, okay? And then we say 2 and 5, as soon as we capture a story, the world we were trying to capture has changed, right? Now, this is kind of building on sentence number 2 by explaining that the world is always keep on changing. And so the case is that कि जैसे ही हम किसी स्टोरी को कैप्चर करते हैं, वो कुछ चीज दिखाती है, वो चीज ही बदल जाती है जिस चीज को वो स्टोरी रिफ्लेक्ट करती है. सो I mean, like the world is always changing, so the stories can never exactly be the सेम. ओके. सो अब जब ये ऐसा हो रहा है, जब स्टोरी चेंज होगी तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? ओके. सो वी कैन नॉट हेल्प बट रीटेल द स्टोरीज दैट वी वैल्यू. ओके. तो अब हमारे पास चॉइस ही नहीं है. ओके. बिकॉज वर्ल्ड चेंजेस, सो वी कीप रीटेलिंग द स्टोरीज. ओके. एंड आफ्टर ऑल they are not quite right for us in our time, right? So it tells us that because the world changes, so we keep retelling stories, okay, adapting them to our own time and to our own perspective. And even if we manage to get them quite right, right? So this even if we gives you the I mean, like we can say that even if even if one version feels right for us, okay, so other might tell the stories differently based on their own experiences. So even if we manage to get them quite right, okay, मतलब हमें सही भी लगी वो story, so they're only right for us. Other people's के लिए कुछ और perspective हो सकता है, okay? So the implication of retelling, we again get this keyword, right? So retelling, okay. So the implications of retelling of Indian story hence takes on a new meaning in modern India, right? So again, it says that retelling Indian story today means something new because the world has changed. So that's the logic. The 2, 5, 3, 4, 1 is the sequence. I hope you got this correct.